KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.
A pipe with dimensions D20 to D40 is shortened to the desired length with the cutting wrench WZ130. A pipe with dimensions D50 to D160 is shortened to the desired length with the pipe cutter WZ135. If necessary, mark the depth. From our chart, find the appropriate heat-up time according to the pipe diameter. Set the timer. Pay attention to the surface of the pipe, as well as the inside of the form piece, is clean and free of any grease. Slide the pipe and the form piece to their full depth in the welding device. The heat-up time begins now. After the heat-up phase, you should immediately, without any delay, fit the pipe and form piece together. The stripes on the pipe and on the form piece serve to indicate direction. Readjustment is possible up to a maximum of 4 degrees. By readjustment, follow the given times according to the chart. After the cooling down phase, the mended pipe can again be placed under pressure in full working condition.
KELIT Innovative Pipe Systems.